Okay, we are still here in Caloocan Division Mid Boys Secondary Volleyball. A battle between Napsak versus Canyosa B or Escuela de Sofia versus Bagong Silang High School. Good luck to the both of teams. Exciting match. First serve from Canyosa B. Running, drop. Crossing, violation, committed by Napsak. Serving Lopez from Canyosa B. Set, block. Drop by the setter of Canyosa B. Gian Maala, number 7, nice attack. Serving from Maluya, drop. Libero is there. Gian, tapos spin. Dax Nia Lopez. To the open, once again, block. Back row attack by Neo Lopez. Score now is 2-2. Tied at 2 sa ating first set. Serving the setter from Canyosa B. Outside. Serving the middle of Napsak. Maluya. Set to Ram Negraza, the lefty spiker. Serving the middle to Lopez. Is 5-2, still in favor, Napsak. Outside, 5-3. Serving Gabanzo from not over. Attack by the middle, Baleras. Gabanzo again. Net touch. Nice defense by the libero of Napsak. Middle. Oliado is blocked. Number 4, the opposite, and the lefty spiker of Canyosa B was blocked. Once again, ang higpit ng blockings ng Napsak. 8-4. 4-point advantage by Team Napsak or Escuela de Sofia. From the Ocar. Serving Gian Maala. Score awarded to EDC. Ganun ba? Pag outside serve, score now is 9-4, still in favor Napsak. Nice attack by Nathan Baleras. Check ball. Outside, 10-6. Negrasa. Nice receive. Set by the setter, Sumobra. Outside, 11-6. Serving Nathan Baleras. Drop ball. Babistina, number 6. Score awarded to Napsak. Escuela de Sofia, 12-6. Serving Nathan Baleras. Messi receive, still playable. Easy over by the setter. Negrasa, fast play to the middle attacker. Score now is 13-6, still in favor, Napsak. Nathan once again serving. Dax Nia Lopez blocked. Grabe. Ganda ng lipad. Ng open. Hitter ng Napsak. Time out. Wait lang eh. Bakit na?
Ganun kaya? Ano kaya ang call pa ganun? No?
Kaya... ano ba yun? Pass. Sobra.
Ito.
Yan yung nakikita ko rin dyan sa mga yan. Parang Mendoza Brothers. Gabanzo, drop. In the middle. Score awarded to Bagong Silang High School. 14-9. Dumidikit na po ang Bagong Silang. Kanyosa B.
Bagong silang siya.
Pa.
Tatlo. Kinuha ko na sa Tanchuan.
Ay. Kabu.
Kausap ko rin coach niya. Pero sabi ko after ng Manila, ng Caloocan Heat, mananalo muna kaya. Wala muna na yung manalo.
Announcer time. Season score 17-12 lamang pa rin ang Napsak. Wait lang, excuse me po.
Di ba sumasugod sila? Ang Chinese na may isa, sugod ba?
Guys,
Staraflex, ang ganda.
guys, we are very sorry ha. May yung ball retriever lang dumadaan-daan sa amin. Kasi trinay namin pumesa sa gitna pero pinapausog kami dito. Tapos yun, maabot din yung ball retriever. Sorry guys for the inconvenience sa panonood. Score now is 19-13 lamang pa rin ang Napsak. Check ball. Touching the net, committed by Ram Negranza. Now serving Gabanzo. Dagap by Cindy. JC Mendoza. Top spin by Gian. The opposite, Colyado. Top spin, Maluya. Nice defense. Gian again. Outside. Score awarded to Bagong Silang High School. Kanyosa B. 19-16. 3 points na lang po ang kalamangan ng Napsak. Service again. Gabanzo. Sorry. This time outside. Correct. Lucky. Perez drop ball. Cindy is there. Uy! Nice communication. Perez serving. 2017. Over receive. Maluya. To Cindy. Drop ball. It's still playable. Nice save by Cindy. Block. Rocky, nice attack. Point awarded to Napsak. 21-17 sa ating first set. Ram Negranza. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Nice dugger by the libero. Fast play, differential. Rocky, hang time. Top spin, Negranza is there. Boom, sayang. 21-18. Serving Colyado, Emmanuel. Maluya. Pinabawi. Pero check pa rin. Dax Neo Lopez sa atake. Top spin. Cindy Mendoza is there. Outside. 2 points na lang po ang kalamangan ng Napsak.
Ayaw niya sa ating pads. Sabi mo sa live.
Oh. Dax Neo Lopez. Naunahan ni Maluya. Once again, Lopez. Wow! Joust. 22-20. 2 points advantage by Napsak. Nice receive. Fast play. That violation committed by Team Napsak. 1 point na lang po ang kalamangan ng Napsak. Bumawi si Asher Raniaga. Nice attack by Asher Raniaga. Kamay na. Warning 21. Dax. Brady moves coming from Lopez. Back row attack from Asher. Yun lang. Last na po ang knapsack or Escuela de Sofia. Oh, sorry, humarang si ate. Excuse me, ate. Yun tapos. Outside. 24-23. Pumapalag pa po ang bagong silang. Easy over. Aatake ang bagong silang. Fast play. Cindy is there. Pinigay sa open. Drop. Is still playable. Tinapos na nga ni Ram Nagranza. First set goes to Knapsack, Escuela de Sofia. Start the second set. First serve to Maluya. Block. Easy over by Torres. Libero. Drop. Nice block by Knapsack.
Sa mga isang puno natin.
Gwapa talaga niya. Ay. Maluya serving. Neo Lopez.
Bali, owa-owa lang pala siya.
Perez, the setter. Pass play. Nakalusot. 2-1.
Parang hindi.
Nice serve by Balubaya, the setter. Nice dig by Perez. Ramos sa atake. Dax. Block. Nice save by Cindy. Outside attack by Ram Negrasa. Score now is 3-2. Change favor. Laman na po ang bagong silang. Outside. Tight.
Sa Abra, mukha talagang lalaki.
5-4 lamang po ang Knapsack. Gagabay na libero, Lopez. Check out. Serving again, Dax Neo Lopez. Oh, nice attack by Cumbeta.
Kulang tayo sa pogi sa lineup natin.
Nice attack by Nathan Baleras of Knapsack. Nice attack from Corbeta, number 12. Ano ba yan? Ang lakas. Last ang serve. Nice one. Gabanzo.
Ilan taon na si Dax?
Parang 15 lang. Hindi pa siya 16 eh.
Parang sa CUan. Hindi na naging na CUan eh.
Easy over by Gabanzo. Fast play. Corbeta is there. Asher Raniaga. Correct.
Kilabot siyang bata.
Tied at 10. Outside, 11-10. Lamang na po ang kanyo sa B. Perez serving. Top spin. Outside. Tied at 11.
Tangkaluya.
Serving the setter, Maluya. Nice attack by Dax, Nia Lopez.
Kaya nga, hindi na napalo.
Oh, a miscommunication, sayang. Score now is 13-12. Change favor. Lamang na po ang knapsack. Net violation committed by the player of knapsack. Simple na. Check out. 14 all. Oh, nice attack by Daxie Lopez. 15-14. Grabe, dikit ng game. Zone 5.
Pag nakuha ko talaga nire-recruit ko sa Central Luzon. Super face card. Super face card. Pero magaling yung libero ni Ed.
17-15. 2 points advantage by Caniosa B. Bagong Silang. (17-16) naman pa rin po ang Caniosa B. Asher Anyaga. Nice. Attack by Asher Anyaga. Busy Babies. Mga yan. Nice receive by Cindy. Oh, nice attack by Perez. Pina-check sa kamay ng blocker. 18-17. Oh, nice attack by Asher. Wow, lumalaban si Asher. Not over attack by Perez. Nathan serving. Maleras. Perez. Grabe close ng laban. 18 all. Another, once again, Asher Ranaga. Scoring for Knapsack. Nathan again. Service area. Set by the setter. 20-18, 2 points advantage by team Knapsack. Ay, okay. Back set to Perez. Blocked. 21-18. Pag nakuha to ng Knapsack, tapos ako ang laban. Ramos. Ooh, nice attack by number 1 from Bagong Silang High, Carniosa B. Oh, nice attack by Dax Neo Lopez. Namidikit na po. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Knapsack. Second stringer kasi, second setter. Pero pwede sa'yo, umbaw eh.
Ito ko. Pag-game na natin, kailangan.
Ay, yun. 21-22. Isa lang po ang kalamangan ng Knapsack. Now serving the setter, Balubayan. Oh. No. Score awarded to Bagong Silang. Caniosa B. 22 all. Balubayan once again serving. Misreceive. Neo Lopez. Drop. Oh, nice attack by Asher. Setter, Balubayan. To Dax Neo Lopez. Warning 22. Laban niya, laban ni Dax. Ang kada palo niya. Not over attack by Dax Neo Lopez. Ano yan? Anong tawag? Sorry. Ano yun? 2 touches? At double? Sorry.
Wala nang double sa second ball.
Oo, dapat double contact. Anyways, tawag ng referee ay double. So, lamang na po ng isang knapsack.
Double pag in-over mo.
Last. Match point for knapsack. Asher. Serving. Dax Neo Lopez. Once again, Neo Lopez drop. Cindy is there. Rocky. Not over. Dalawang isip. Tied at 24. Grabe talagang laban. Magkaka-third set pa ba? Back set. To Ramney Granza. Nice attack. Match point to knapsack. Lopez drop. Tied at 25, grabe. Juice again, up to 27.
Pagod na siya, kailangan niya na mouth to mouth.
Ala, sayang.
Wala niya siya, tapos
Match point again for knapsack. Match point. Dagabay na libero. Set the setter. Hinulog sa gitna. Hi, grabe. Another deadlock. Cindy for the receive. Ooh, grabe. Nice attack. Ang tapang nun. Opposite pero grabe lakas. Set by the libero. Top spin. Asher is there. Corbeta atake. Cindy. Asher. To the middle. Nice attack. By the middle. Nice attack by Valeras. Match point again for knapsack. Lopez. Ooh. Nice! Grabe, ang crucial and sobrang intense close ng laban ngayong second set. Kumbaga, sulit ang ating binayad. Charot. But over attack by number 1. Match point again for knapsack. Dagabay Neo Lopez. Uy, grabe, buhay pa rin. Still playable. Back row attack. Top spin. Asher, natapusin na ba? Nice puto by Ramos. Eh, grabe. Ang intense ng laban. Tinapos na po ni Corbeta. Congratulations, Knapsack or Squadron Sophia. Wins the game. Congratulations. Nice game. Sobrang ganda na pinakita nyo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please don't skip the ads. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Keep safe. Love you all. Ingat.